Hi everyone, welcome to Word Guide. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create and format charts in Microsoft Word. Charts are a fantastic way to visualize data and make your document more engaging. Let's get started. First, let's open up a blank document. Then, locate the Insert tab on the ribbon. Next, click on the Chart button. This will open the Insert Chart dialog box, where you can choose from various chart types like column, line, pie, bar, and more. For this example, let's create a column chart. After selecting the chart type, Word will insert a sample chart along with an Excel spreadsheet, where you can input your data. Let's enter our data into the spreadsheet. You can replace the sample data with your own values. For instance, let's create a chart that shows sales data for different quarters. Once you have entered your data, close the spreadsheet. The chart in your document will automatically update to reflect the new data. Now let's format the chart to make it more appealing. Click on the chart to refill the chart tools on the ribbon, which includes Design and Format tabs. In the Design tab, you can change the chart styles and color scheme. Let's change a different style from the chart style gallery. You can also add or remove chart elements like titles, legends, and data labels. Click on Add Chart Element and choose the elements you want to include. Let's add a chart title and data labels. To further customize your chart, switch to the Format tab. Here, you can adjust the fill, outline, and effects of the chart elements. Let's change the color of the columns to make them stand out more. Don't forget to add axis titles to clearly indicate what your data represent. Click on Add Chart Element, then Axis Titles, and enter your desired titles. Lastly, if you need to edit your data again, click on the chart, go to the Chart Tools Design tab, and select Edit Data. This will reopen the Excel spreadsheet where you can update your data. And there you have it, a quick guide to creating and formatting charts in Microsoft Word. By mastering these tools, you can make your documents not only more informative, but also more visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Word Guide for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching and happy charting!